excited about going to the house of God. One thing I know about, I can get just what I need in the house of the Lord. If I can just make it to the house of God. Make no difference what kind of day I done had before I get here. But if you just allow me to get here, whatever I need, it's in the house of the Lord. And if I get here, I get what I need. And I just thank the Lord. I want us to just loosen up. And let's have a good time and let's just magnify the Lord. We have had a powerful prayer and the Lord is already here. So all we got to do is just magnify Him and just worship Him while we are here. And right now it brings us up to our testifying service. We're going to sing praise song and lift up the Lord on tonight. And we're going to ask if Missionary Baker, Missionary Vicky, and Missionary Charlotte, if you all would come and lead us in a few songs of worship. Let's just magnify the Lord.